What's going on here? Visitor? What you got? What you got? Come on, let me see what you got. Flowers. A bird feeder. Does that say squirrel proof? Ha!
Hi.
Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you, sweetie. Lovely.
Get you this.
Oh, that's great.
Hurry up already. Stop gabbing. I'm starving. There you go. Let's see what you got. Man, check out that seed tube. All right, step away from the feeder. Oh, this is gonna be good. That's it. Be a good boy. Take your mommy out for lunch. Give me some time with my new friend. This is gonna be epic. Oh, all right. Not a oh, man. Whoa. I can barely get a grip. This thing's really slippery. Here we go. This is it. I'm in. No. What's going on? What's going on? I can't get to the seed. I'm locked out. Oh, man. I give up. Happy Mother's Day. Huh.